Oh, this one is a good one. This one is one that it took me so long to learn because I wanted to be like everybody else so bad. My natural hair journey completely changed once I started doing this. No, sis, no. Okay, no, it's dead. Don't do that. Your hair will thank you, okay? Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Today I have another exciting video for you guys. I'm going to be sharing with you the 5 things that you need to know if you have dry natural hair, specifically low porosity hair. So let's just get into all my tips and tricks. Let's go. Okay, so the very first tip is to apply products when your hair is damp, not soaking wet. So like your leave-in conditioner, your oils, whatever it is that you apply after you wash your hair. Now, a lot of people probably say, oh, well, I style my hair in the shower. Like I put my leave-in and everything when I'm in the shower. But if you have low porosity hair, your hair, water kind of just sits on the surface. It has a hard time soaking through. So if you apply your leave-ins and all that stuff to your hair when it's soaking, sopping wet, what do you think is going to happen to that product? It's going to combine with the water and drip right off of your hair. It's not going to penetrate the strands. So don't apply a lot of products when your hair is dry, and don't apply a lot of products when your hair is soaking wet. You need to find that happy medium so that your hair can, you know, get all the goodness. Okay, so that's the very first tip. The next tip is really important, and my natural hair journey completely changed once I started doing this. You want to apply your deep conditioners with some type of heat or steam. You could even use a handheld blow dryer, like to just blow dry over the cap to make sure that your hair is getting all the moisture that it needs. When you heat the hair, the cuticles open, and that's what you want. If you have low porosity hair, your cuticles and the pores and everything, they're really tight and closed. They don't want things to get inside. The heat is gonna open it up like a flower, you feel me? It's gonna open up those cuticles and allow the deep conditioner to really penetrate. Oh, this one is a good one. This one is one that it took me so long to learn because I wanted to be like everybody else so bad. So the third tip is to use water-based leave-in conditioners and stay away from the thick, creamy leave-ins, applying 3 and 4 products to your hair. That ain't for you, sis. It's not for you. Using more lightweight products is going to make sure that you don't have so much buildup, because as you guys know, low porosity hair, stuff just sits on the surface. It doesn't absorb as much as other hair textures do. So like, you need to be very mindful of the amount of product that you're using on your hair, because it's just going to build up and feel all oily and greasy, and it can start to smell too. Like if you have all that product just sitting on your hair, it's not good, okay? So try to go for something a little bit more water-based. I would definitely recommend like conditioning milks. Those are normally more on the watery side as opposed to like a curling cream, a curling custard. Those tend to be too thick, too heavy, too much. And that leads me into my next tip. The 4th tip is to use lightweight oils such as argan oil instead of coconut oil or those type of thick grease type of oils. Those are literally just going to sit on the surface of your hair, block off the cuticle, because coconut oil isn't going to allow moisture to penetrate the hair. It's gonna block off the hair shaft. So don't put coconut oil in your hair. I don't know who told people that coconut oil is good for your hair, but specifically for low porosity hair, I would shy away from coconut oil because it's literally going to close off your hair shaft to any type of moisture. It's going to act as a barrier, honestly. Last but not least, my 5th and final tip for dry natural hair, specifically low porosity hair, is to shampoo your dang hair, okay? I know a lot of people are on this like co-washing craze where they don't shampoo their hair, they just want to use conditioner to co-wash, and that's that. Sis, this is not going to apply to you, okay? If your hair is low porosity, you are prone to buildup, as I mentioned before. And if you continue to co-wash your hair just with conditioner, you are leaving behind so much product and buildup, and your hair is just not going to give you as much life. It's not going to be as bouncy because you have all that stuff weighing down your hair. I would say honestly, don't co-wash. I don't co-wash my hair. If I'm gonna wash my hair, I use a shampoo, a conditioner, I deep condition, and that's my routine. I very rarely will co-wash my hair. I need to use a shampoo. Like, my hair gets hair buildup so quickly that you need that clarifying shampoo to get out all the dirt, all the excess product, and just start fresh. This is like a big tip for people who experience dry hair, is to make sure you wash your hair with shampoo. Please stop skipping the shampoo. I don't know who created this whole, oh, black people aren't supposed to shampoo their hair, we could just use no, sis, no. Okay, no, it's dead. Don't do that. Please shampoo your hair. Your hair will thank you, okay? So I think that's all 5 of my tips. I hope you guys found this video very informative. As I'm learning my hair and I'm going through my journey, I really want to share everything that I learned with you guys, because like, if I didn't have people who taught me what I know, then I wouldn't be where I am today. So I have to share some of that love with you guys. If you guys want to see more natural hair videos, I will have all of them linked down in the description box below, a little playlist, so you guys can check those videos out. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and turn on your post notifications so that you'll be notified every single time you upload a video. Today's post notification shout out goes to, let me find it. Today's post notification shout out goes to Bree_Kaylani. Shout outs to you, sis. She commented on my last video, #notification gang. So if you want to be shouted out in my next video, make sure you guys comment down below when you're finished, #notification gang or notification squad, so that we know you joined the family and that I can shout you out in my next video. I appreciate all of your love and support. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see all of you beautiful people in my next video. Bye. 'Cause I know every man has a fear of a strong-minded woman, but I say she's a keeper if she got it on her own and keeps it running. If she can keep it all running. If she can keep it all